If you are in the market for a luxury Class C RV, the 2024 Tiburon 24RW could be the one. Coming in at 25 feet 8 inches in length, it is fully equipped outside, fully equipped inside, built on a Mercedes chassis, and I can't wait to show you around. The 24RW has its own unique feature set in the Tiberon lineup. To make sure you get all the options you want, visit your local Thor Motor Coach dealer or build your own at thormotorcoach.com. But if you want the dinette and the theater seating, then the 24RW is the floor plan for you. Seen here in cafe mocha decor and luxury gray technoform cabinets, this is the pinnacle of functionality and style. The living area in the Tiburon adjusts to your mood and your needs. When you feel like kicking back and streaming the latest show, this is where you want to be. Since this is a smart TV, set up your own secure private internet connection with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. Now feel free to stream away. Or move over to the dinette and use that connection to hop on your favorite social media site. Or set up your out-of-office autoresponder because you and your Tiburon are on vacation. Another seating option, swivel the front seats, pop in the coffee table. These are heated, by the way, so this makes the perfect place to spend those crisp mornings. The kitchen in the 24RW is midship and is fully equipped. Get cooking with the 2-burner gas cooktop and the convection microwave. And a flip-up countertop extension because who doesn't need more counter space? The 12-volt fridge and freezer are stocked with all the goodies. And these large cabinets up top are big enough to fit all your tall appliances. The 24RW features this split bath, which is accessible with the slide wall in. Your shower is over here on the campside, and it features a printed shower surround and a skylight for more headroom. On the other side, would you look at that? Counter space. You can never have enough, am I right? There's a medicine cabinet above the sink, controls for the tankless hot water, and your foot flush toilet. Moving back to the bedroom, this is a flip-up full-size bed. There's a smart TV back here so you can catch the forecast before you head out for the day. Right down here, you'll find wireless charging, there are cup holders. You're gonna love all the little conveniences in the 24RW. Very nice closets in the 24RW. The hanging rods pull out for easy access to that shirt with your favorite logo on it. If you need more sleeping, don't forget the Tiburon has this overhead bunk. This is a 500-pound capacity. Then you can tuck your phone in this handy little cargo net. There are charging ports built right in. When you take a second look at everything we've just seen, you have to agree. This is a great place to call home when you're zipping around from campsite to campsite. The 24RW cruising down the road here is showing off the pinnacle full body paint. The Diamond Shield front paint protection keeps those rogue sticks and stones from doing damage to that beautiful paint job. Under the hood is a highly efficient Mercedes turbo diesel engine. The transmission is geared for a comfortable, fuel-efficient trip, and there are paddle shifters when you want to take control. The Tiburon is built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis, which means it comes standard with all the latest safety and tech. On the list, we have active braking assist, attention assist, active lane keeping assist, a wet wiper system, adaptive cruise control, and optional blind spot monitoring. And you can ride in comfort all year with the heated memory seats and heated remote mirrors. So each side of the steering wheel has a button or touchpad for everything. From the adaptive cruise control settings, maintenance reminders, trip meters, all your vitals can be checked out right here. There's Bluetooth to set up for hands-free calls and controls for the voice-activated infotainment center. This does everything you want it to. There's navigation, SiriusXM satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging right up top, and if you are towing on that 5,000-pound hitch, you always have a clear view of what's behind you in this large rearview mirror. Before we head out, there are a few items in the entry door I want to show you. Controls for the optional base camp hydraulic leveling system. There's an app for this as well. We have the power button for the 1,000-watt inverter and the switch for the 12-volt lithium house battery. And you can monitor that battery from this panel here or from Rapid Camp Plus. You're going to want to bring a lot of gear with you, right? We have some very large storage bays on the Tiburon. We also have an occupant and cargo carrying capacity on this particular 24RW of 1,053 pounds. You are going to love living it up at your campsite in the Tiburon. Look at the size of this bay. The clubs are a perfect fit, and you will have time to get in 18 holes because getting connected to camp is easy. The Tiburon is a 30-amp coach, and all the plumbing is quick to connect and understand thanks to a user-friendly web bay. Simply turn the dial to do what you need it to do. But check this out. You can monitor tank levels right from here using Rapid Camp Plus. From the app or the main screen, control the slide. Lights, all your climate controls are here, so turn on the furnace or adjust the low-profile 15,000 BTU AC unit with heat pump. We just checked those tank levels. The 24RW has a 30-gallon freshwater tank, along with a 38-gallon gray and black tank, and they have heat pads. You can also start the generator and set the auto gen start from Rapid Camp Plus. A 4,000-watt propane generator comes standard. A 3,200-watt diesel generator is optional. Tap the Go Power button here, and this is how you monitor and dial in the 200 watts of solar charging. You're going to love living it up at your campsite in your Tiburon. You can pull up a few chairs, maybe a cooler full of cold drinks, and enjoy your time out here. When you need shade, the 24RW features a 2-stage armless power patio awning with integrated LED lighting in the awning arms, and this makes a great night light when you are set up at camp. Another feature you will love having on board is the Quick Connect propane connection. Think about it. This is your own backyard barbecue, but in a different backyard every night. And that is the 2024 Tiburon 24RW. When you are ready to build your own, visit thormotorcoach.com.